How to change default mail app on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you have the additional mail app installed in your iPhone, such as Gmail or Yahoo. If not, then you can install it from your app store. Now, once you have made sure that you have the alternative mail app, go ahead and launch the settings application and scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap on the apps option you see there and then scroll down again and navigate to the mail app and tap on it. Here, you will see the option for a default mail app. So tap on the default mail app option you see there, and you will then see a bunch of options related to your mail app. So simply tap on the mail app that you want to make your default mail app, and with this, your default mail app will be changed. So this was about how you can change default mail app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.